Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a white vehicle, this is only probably 2 years old. It's a 21 Hyundai Venue, but you'll notice on the back of your tailgate, this iron spot has gotten so big it's now turning into a rust bubble. But white and light color vehicles are prone to having brake dust and fallout fly up from their brake rotors. The hot iron flies up, sticks to your tailgate and around your wheels, and does not immediately evaporate like it would on a black car. So then it starts to rust and attach and get bigger. So it's usually around the wheels. Oh yeah, lots of orange specks right here. All right, we just did a really good contact wash with a good mitt and soap, grit guard. But as we come around, there's those iron deposits that we're gonna come after next. They do not come off with washing. And what's another big thing that doesn't come off with normal wash? Tar. All right, so we have DIY Details iron remover in this bottle. We have their clay towel. We're gonna get the clay towel down in the soapy water. But check this out. As soon, like I said, this is really important on white vehicles on the back of the vehicle. As soon as that hits those iron deposits, it's gonna start turning purple and breaking them down. So now, you can take the DIY Detail clay towel. The old school way used to be a clay bar. It actually looked like a bar of putty or clay that you'd remold and go across this, but it was really abrasive. So we're going to go through, and you'll hear it goes from scratchy to no sound at all. You can tell that you have sheared, disconnected those bonded contaminants from the paint. Do the glass. Quick tip, if you're cleaning your glass and it keeps grabbing microfibers and stuff from the cloth, you need to clay it. It'll make it smooth again. That's much more like it. You can see there's still a little bit of a bubble damage there from that rust spot, but now this paint is deep cleaned, shiny, protected for several months. That tar is off.